Hello, everybody, and welcome. My name is Eric, and today I'm currently going to be camping out the night in a place called the Econ River on a riverbank, as you guys will see on the screen with a drone shot that I took. You guys get to see more or less the area that I'm currently surrounded in because today the folks at TCEK sent me this swivel camping portable chair, similar to the one I'm currently sitting on, only this one is static. Show you guys a quick look. Like, this is a regular camping chair. However, it is static, does not move. This one, however, swivels, and that's exactly what I'm going to review today. So I'm going to get started with this. I have yet to open it. I received it this week. The folks at TCEK are not paying me to make this review. They only send this unit for me to try and test out and make a review of it. So here we are. All right, it comes nicely packaged. That's nice. This must be the instructions, I'm assuming. Open up, stretch. Yeah, this pretty straightforward. Nothing crazy. I like these chairs. Oh, whoa! I like the color. TCEK, you guys did well. Oh, it's not. It's like a pinkish burgundy color. Oh, I love it. Oh, that is a nice color. Okay, so let's go and open it up. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, it's got a nice little mesh. Huh. Spring loaded too. Okay, so I'm assuming there's some kind of lock mechanism that allows it to stay up. Let me see if I can figure this out. Is that how it works? Huh. So apparently, in order for it to become stable like this, you basically just stretch the legs out and it stabilizes. Well, ain't that something? And the bottom legs are spring loaded. Let's take a quick look at this. It looks sturdy enough. Look. See, the base is what concerns me the most. And this is the swiveling part. It looks beefy. Okay, I am 240 pounds. So I believe this thing handles up to 300 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, here we are. Okay. I like that leaning position like this. Tell me if your chair can do this. Huh? Tell me if your camping chair can do this. And yours is handling my weight quite well, actually. That is impressive. My main concern was there will be some kind of grinding noise, you know? I'm assuming they use some kind of ball bearing system, I can only assume, because I don't hear anything. It is smooth. I'm not kidding. Put the microphone. Can't hear anything. No grinding. It's smooth. Oh, what a delight. This is great. So this is the swivel portable camping chair from TCEK. But when it comes to showing you guys what the chair can do, this is pretty much it. What I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna show you guys at nighttime when I'm relaxed and chill. I have my tablet. I downloaded a show on my smartphone. I'll be watching that. And I'll show you guys all that environment, just, you know, for the beauty of it. And I'll likely show you guys at nighttime the drone shot on the corner of the sunset. I'm gonna be doing that. Yeah. Alrighty, well, evening time has arrived. As you guys will see in the corner of the screen, you will see the beautiful sunset I was able to capture with the drone. Right now, I'm currently watching John Wick. I downloaded it from Netflix, and I got with me a famous chicken tender pub sub from Publix here in Florida. It's a Florida thing. Got a honeymoon, and I have a LaCroix black raspberry because I gotta maintain my figure. Anyway, guys, with this, I want to conclude the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will include links for the chair above and below on the description. And then, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I have enjoyed this chair. It is quite handy, quite sturdy. And I'm spending the evening right here watching John Wick, finish it up, watch something else, and then enjoy the evening. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.